What's up YouTube? So today I'm in the mood to do like a coquette, kind of like a doll makeup look. So that's what we're gonna do. Right now I'm starting with the Anastasia Dip Brow in taupe. And then for like the tail of the brow, I'm gonna go in with the medium brown brow powder duo just to kind of like darken it up. Okay, so I just did my brows and I just cut them with this Full Filter Concealer from Huda Beauty. I'm kind of like not in the mood to do foundation, so I think I'm gonna just only do concealer. So to start, I'm just gonna conceal all the red spots and blemishes. Because I just want the base to look as skin-like as possible, but I still want it to look like a beat, but just like, I don't know, like a natural beat. And for me at least, with the amount of blemishes I have to cover up, I don't really need foundation on top of it, you know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna just let that marinate on my face for a little bit, but in the meantime, I'm gonna go in with the Nova Beauty Smoky palette, and I'm just gonna go in with the shade Shade for my transition. If you've been watching my videos, you should know the drill by now because this is like my go-to, I think, every single time. I'm sitting like with my legs crisscross and my knees are like inside my shirt, so it's like pulling. Don't judge me, okay? I literally don't have pants on and it's cold. Next, I'm gonna use this Flirty Talk ColourPop palette, and I think I'm gonna go in with the shade Talk to Me. It's like this pink shade. I'm gonna kind of like sweep it all over my eyelid and blend it into my transition shade. I just feel like it's like this perfect like light pink. It's like so cute. Then for the inner corner, I think I'm gonna go in with On Your Mind white shade and just make sure you like blend it into the pink. Actually, let me zoom you up so you can see. And I'm not really like packing it on, I'm just kind of like blending it out. I just kind of want it to be like really soft. Like I want this to be a super soft look. Like I'm in a really girly mood today, I don't know. Next, I'm gonna go in with this MAC eyeliner, Brush Black Brush Stroke 24-hour liner. It's literally my favorite eyeliner of all time. Just a little something like that. And I'm gonna connect it all the way to the inner corner. Okay, so I finished the eyeliner, but now I'm just taking the same concealer and I'm gonna create like a little line. I used to have like a white eyeliner, but I can't find it anymore. So this is the closest thing I have. And I'm just gonna create like a little line. And I'm just taking like this M421 brush from Morphe and I'm literally just dipping it in like the tiniest bit on the tip and that. No, man. Okay, thank God that wiped away. Alright, don't look anywhere else when you're doing this. And then to set this so that it doesn't move anywhere else, I'm gonna dip into the all white shadow. I'm gonna just go over this line. So it should look something like that. And I'm gonna do that onto the other side and be right back. Okay, so now that that part is done, we can finally blend out the concealer. Now on top of that, I'm gonna use the Fenty Beauty Amber Suede Contour Stick. I'm taking this e.l.f. complexion duo brush and just blending everything in to bring back some like warmth to my face because the concealer really washed me out. Too good. And then I'm gonna just take like whatever's left over on my jawline. So I just grabbed this Dior Forever Natural Bronze in number 4. I've used it a lot, if you can't tell, but I'm gonna use that to set my contour. I'm gonna have to go re-up on this color because it's honestly really cute. I'm gonna use the same color for my nose contour. Alright, now I'm gonna go back in with the concealer to go under my eyes, on my forehead, and on my chin. Then to set, I'm gonna use the Laura Mercier translucent powder. Okay, no, actually this is crazy. So this is what it's looking like so far. It's really cute. I'm gonna go ahead and set the rest of my face with the translucent powder. Now that the concealer is done, I'm gonna finish the eye makeup. So I'm gonna go back in with that MAC liner and do a little baby wing. I'm gonna zoom you in a little more so you can see. I just dragged it out and then I connected it to my bottom waterline, and I'm gonna leave the inside open. So it's gonna look like that. For blush, I'm gonna use Patrick Ta's She's a Doll. I am gonna go in with the cream because it's gonna bring back a little bit of the dewiness. I'm gonna bring it onto my nose. I'm gonna put a little bit on my forehead and on my chin just to kind of blend everything together. Then on top of the blush, I'm gonna go in with this NARS blush in Thrill. It's like super pink and like full tone pink. And I'm just gonna put that on top and keep it on the high points of my cheeks. I'm gonna kind of drag it into my under eye. And then I'm gonna go in with the Kosas Breezy Cloud Set foundation powder and just set under my eye and blend it into the blush. Alright, now it's time for lashes. I'm gonna curl my lashes and put my mascara on. It's gonna be the Milk Kush Mascara. For highlight, I'm gonna start with the nose highlight. I'm gonna use this Cookie highlight from Benefit because it's super, super blinding. What'd I tell you? What I tell you. And then I'm also gonna use this for the highlight on my cheeks. Tell me it's not the prettiest glow you've ever seen. If you're ever looking for a new highlight and you find yourself in Sephora, you know what to get. For lips, I'm gonna use the same lip liner as usual. It's the MAC Stone lip liner because she's just good for every single occasion. Like, then I think for lips, I'm gonna use, I have to see, but I kind of want to use this glowing lip balm from ColourPop. It's in the color Tickled Pink because it's really cute and I feel like it would go perfect. I think I'm gonna also use the Patrick Ta She's a Doll. I'm gonna go over the lip liner again just because I can't handle that much color, especially like bright colors on my lips. Oh, final step, I'm gonna put this highlight underneath my eyes. where I didn't put liner. I'm just gonna top off my bottom lashes with mascara. Alright, so I put some moles on my face and I did add this lip gloss. It's the Lip Glow Oil in 001 from Dior. But this is the final look and I'm obsessed. It's so cute. If you don't think it's cute, you're lying. You're literally lying to yourself. Anyways, I'm gonna finish this look. I'm gonna get dressed and do my hair and I will be right back. Okay, you guys, I'm back with the final look. This is what I did with the hair. I put like a little ribbon in and I made it like a headband. And I put this like lacy top on. It's a little see-through, so I'm not gonna show you guys, but this is the final look. Let me know what you think. If you recreate it, don't forget to tag me. I honestly feel so cute right now. This is it. Anyways, I hope you liked it and I hope you have a good day.